You want to learn Houdini, but you're completely overwhelmed? Trust me, I've been there. I mean, what even is this? The first time I opened Houdini, I saw all the nodes and VEX code. Why is that so complicated? Sops, cops, chops, dops, lops, rops, wops. And it felt like I stepped into a completely new language. And you know what I did? I closed it. Didn't touch it for weeks. I was intimidated, frustrated, and honestly, I felt a bit dumb. I started to wonder if Houdini was just too big of a challenge for me. But then something changed. I wanted to have myself a nice little Google. And when I opened the internet, I realized I wasn't alone. Other people are struggling too. Even big names in the 3D community. That gave me hope. I wasn't dumb. I just needed to approach it differently. So my motivation kicked in again, and I made a promise to myself. This time, I'll take it slow. I've summarized my learning path into 3 core elements that I want to share with you. First, start small. Begin with simple projects and gradually add complexity. Trust me, complexity happens fast enough in Houdini. Second, stay organized. Use color-coded nodes, labels and network boxes to keep your setups clean. It's the chaos in Houdini that can quickly become overwhelming. 3. Think procedurally. This is the heart of Houdini. It's not about making one thing, it's about creating systems that can make infinite things. Houdini can feel overwhelming at first, but once you understand the basic principles, it all starts to click. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this series. I'll walk you through everything in the most beginner-friendly way possible. I promise. Once you get the hang of Houdini, you start to wonder, how could I ever work without it? I'm excited to start this journey with you. Let's take it step by step, node by node, and make something amazing. Are you ready? Let's do it.